My dear friends, today you are going to learn about service tax in this video. Service tax is little bit difficult, but the problem is you have to follow how to create masters for service tax. That means ledgers. While creating ledgers, you have to follow the rules strictly. First of all, you have to enable service tax. To enable service tax, gateway of tally, press F11, features, then press F3 for statutory taxation. Yeah, the screen will look like enable service tax yes, alter service tax details yes. Then after that, the screen will appear like this. Here you have to enter the service tax number, your service tax number, date of registration, then type of your company, that is registered private limited or registered public limited, etc., etc. Whatever your company, you have to choose that one. Then after that, you have to enter the service tax number, then premises code number, etc., etc. Then go for next. Then next up is purchase ledger. How to create a purchase ledger for service tax? Go to gateway of tally, accounting info, ledger create. This ledger create, enter purchase advertising services. That is the ledger name. Then select the group as purchase accounts. Set inventory detail or affected no. Set service tax applicable yes. Say this is the ledger name purchase advertising services. This is the group purchase accounts. Then is service tax applicable yes. Then select the default service category. Service category as advertising agency. Like this. Then press yes to save this ledger name. Then similarly create service tax sales ledger. Same procedure, gateway of tally, accounting info, ledger create. Here enter service event marketing services as ledger name. Enter group as sales accounts. Inventory values affected set to no. Then is service tax applicable to yes. Like this. This is the ledger name service event marketing services. Under group sales accounts. Then here yes. Then event marketing services. Here you have to select that name. After finishing everything, press yes to save this ledger. Next step is service provider. That means sundry creator ledger. Go to gateway of tally, accounting info, ledger create. Enter the ledger name as this is the service provider. Enter that name. Under group enter sundry creditors. Set maintenance bill by bill yes. Default period. This all you just follow this blindly. Then here alter service tax yes. Then after that VAT clarification set yes. Then you have to mention the detail here like this. After finishing everything, press yes to save this ledger. Similarly, service receiver customer ledger. Customer ledger means that is in sales you are using your customer name, that is called customer ledger. Create the customer ledger to whom you are raising the service invoice. Say example, create a in ad agency unga customer, that is your customer. Under group sundry debtor, similarly say service provider details you have to give here. This is the customer's details. Then create say the ledger name is creative add-in agency to in agency sundry debtor. Like that you have to fill. This number is the customer's PAN number. Then go for next. Save this, yes. Then next. Tax ledger. This is also one of the important. So while creating tax ledger, common service tax, single ledger for both input and output. You have to create only one single ledger, that is for both purchase and sales. Say example, these are the ledgers you have to create. Service tax 10%, education just 2%, secondary education 1%. These are you are going to create. How to create I will explain here. So go to gateway of tele accounting info, ledgers create. Enter the name service tax ledger. Here service tax ledger, under group duties and taxes. Duties and taxes. Then type of duty is a must. You have to select as service tax. Head, you have to head is service tax. Say like that. You press yes to save this. Then click for next. Service tax 10%. Same method, gateway of tele accounting info, service tax, duties and taxes. Like this you have to fill. Here service tax. This also tax head also service tax. Then save the ledger. This is educational chess. One more ledger is educational chess. Create ledger name as education chess under duties and taxes. Type of duty is service tax. Here you can put educational chess. Okay. I want to go to explain the previous point, that is service tax at 10%. Then common ledger, this is okay. So this is okay. Next, secondary educational chess 1%. Create the same ledger in ledger creation. Accounting info ledger create. Then duty type is duties and taxes. Then enter here duties and taxes. Service type is service tax. Head is secondary educational chess. Like that, save this. Then go for further. Accounting opening tax. There is an opening balance, that is input or output, whatever it is. You have to follow these steps. Go here. The service tax. This is for opening balances of service tax. Create this service tax ledger in gateway of tele accounting vouchers accounting info ledger creation. So after finishing everything, click save here.